So, there's this question I get all the time, and this question is like, what's the best way to not overtrade, right? The best way to not overtrade is to just close the charts and call it a day. Because believe it or not, there's no webinar written on how not to overtrade. There's no PDF written on how not to overtrade. It's just your conscious effort to say, okay, you know what? I took a trade today. It was a loss or win, and now it's my time to call it a day. Because especially on Fridays, when you start chasing losses, it's not going to work out, because those losses are going to turn into even more losses. Because the moment you look at the chart, now your brain goes into overdrive saying, okay, you know what? We have a potential opportunity, and this opportunity is going to take us to the promised land. And 80% of the time, 70% of the time, it's not going to work. That's overtrading. So you have to really step back and make a conscious decision. Okay, you know what? I took my trades. I have to close my charts. If you close your charts, you will not overtrade. The more you look at the charts, more prone you are to overtrade. So let's take this idea into the next week, and let's make an effort to not overtrade and stop looking at the chart.